the day 2 submission, I thought of taking the lesson in the for loop a step ahead. So in the lesson taught mm, there was a for loop which was exactly this one that will create a star here. So I want to demonstrate the use of nested loops here. So there's an outer loop which you can see this one. So what this outer loop does is it will create four more stars right here, and then for every row there is a third outer loop. The third outer loop will just reset once this first row of four stars are printed. It just initiate the x and y position, and then it will run the same thing again for 3 times. So we'll have 3 rows of stars where in each row there are 4 stars. Let me run the code. That was for this loop 5 times, and then this was the 4 times, and then finally the entire code. Okay, thank you.